a video is easier for me than writing out of text, and English is not my native language, so sorry for this. So the first thing you do is making a new project, setting your frame rate to 60 FPS, width and height should be 1080p. Click OK. Now making it full screen or just sidebar is same as hard, so we're just gonna make the full screen. The first thing I'm gonna do is making a composite shot, so you can actually use this. Making your plane, make it white, put it here. So I know it isn't really white, but it's about the concept right here. So the next thing we're gonna do is some text for white, very useful. Change the color to, I don't know, something gray. Put it above the, no, the text is already above the layer. Oh, okay, now we have it here. I'm just gonna call it A. Central align it. It's already central aligned. Now take it down here. Duplicate. Put it. Put it here. Put one here. Put one here. Okay, well. Put one here. Put one here. How many of these do we have? Oh, that was the last one. Put one here and put one here. Now, if you look at the source, that's why I have it here. All this text is going in one direction. So I know we could hard animate the text, but I'm gonna use a point. Connect all this text to the point, because all text of gray is going in the left direction, all text of white is going in the right direction, all text of white. So now let's take the position, set a keyframe 0. Now go about, I don't know, 10, and put here a keyframe. Or wait, how about putting the same keyframe if we central align with that? So we can do this. I mean, this works. Now we could all hide that in a composite shot. Let's call it gray. So now we have a composite shot, great. Now do the same again. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of this text. In this case, we want it to be almost white. Yeah, that's gonna work. Make the second make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of it. Spread it out again between those. How about not moving that entire composite shot? Put it here, here. I mean, that's one way of doing it. I bet there are better ways of doing it, but that's how I would do it. I mean, you can replace R with any text you like, probably the sidebar. Now, I mean, it's not Arial, it's better. Not the composite shot. Not the text. I mean, it's some other font for the text, but I want to show you how it's done and not how you designed font. So now let's do it again. Transform. Go to the position right. Take a keyframe. Go to 10. 0. Put a keyframe there. Let's take the entire thing. Put it in a composite shot. Let's call it white. Get back to the main composite shot, and you have it. You can replace the text with whatever you want and can do it. And if you want to just have the sidebar, you can just drag the composite shot. Where is it? This main composite shot. Just here, take the rectangular mask, zoom a little bit out, take what you want, take this, and have this. Bingo. That's how easy it is. And for the media, let's say we have, I know, something with this color. So let's say that's our media. Let's make it smaller. Like this. Let's take that. Go into drop shadow, generate, go on this. Now we can see a little drop shadow. Let's make it, it's in the video it's 45 degrees. So we have to add a little bit here. 200 and okay, that's gonna work. Distance, make it a little bit more. And yeah, now I have a drop shadow. Maybe add a blur to the drop shadow, but I mean that should work too. So scale pivot, yeah. So I hope I could help. If it did help, leave an upvote. Bye. And by the way, I'm going to send this project folder, so you can just use it as a template. Meine Fresse, kann ich heute nicht mehr Englisch sprechen.